Welcome to Q&A Wire.
Solving part A of this problem. So using conservation of angular momentum here, I can write using conservation of angular momentum. I can write a expression as LT is equal to LTP or IT omega T is equal to ITP omega TP. On further simplification, you can write the value of omega TP as it is equal to IT by ITP multiplication omega T, which is equal to, so this value will be equal to 1 by 2 mt r square by 1 by 2 mt r square plus mp r square multiplication omega t. So finally, on further simplification, you can write the value of omega Tp is equal to mt by mt plus 2 mp multiplication omega t. So it will be equal to 120 by 120 plus 2 multiplication 70 kg multiplication 3 radian per second. So you will get the value as 7 point, sorry, it is equal to 1.3846, approx 1.385 radian per second. Now I will simplify part B of this problem. So in part B I will use the formula KET is equal to, it is equal to 1 by 2 IT omega T square. So it will be equal to 1 by 2 multiplication 1 by 2 mt multiplication r square multiplication omega t square, which is equal to 1 by 4 mt r square multiplication omega t square, which is equal to 1 by 4 multiplication 120 multiplication 2 square multiplication 3 square. So it will be equal to 1080 joule. Now I can write the value of kinetic energy Tp is equal to 1 by 2 ITP omega Tp square, which is equal to 1 by 2 multiplication 1 by 2 mt multiplication r square plus mp multiplication r square omega Tp square. So this value will be equal to 1 by 2 r square multiplication 1 by 2 mt plus mp multiplication omega Tp square. So on solving it further, it will be equal to, so this value will be equal to 1 by 2 multiplication 2 square multiplication 1 by 2 multiplication 120 plus 70 multiplication 18 by 13 whole square. So finally you will get the answer as 498.46 joule. Now does work friction does work negative. So friction does work negative. So negative work is done by the friction, increasing parachute velocity, increasing parachute velocity. So if he fall off the table, energy is lost to his gain. So I can write, if he falls off the table, energy is lost energy is lost to energy is lost to his gain. I hope you understand it.